Hey, it's Mike, and this is the morning market update for March 31st. Taking a look at the S&P 500 right now, the futures are just slightly lower, about 1/10 of 1% lower. And you go ahead and take a look at the NASDAQ right now, and it is slightly higher, probably by almost 1/10 of 1%. And you go ahead and take a look at the Russell 2000, the small caps, and you can see it's almost pretty much flat right now. So not a lot of movements in the market. It is March 31st, so it's the last trading day of the month. It's also the last trading day of the quarter. So usually there's some window dressing on like the top performing stocks of this quarter. So really, the top performing stuff right now is oil and energy. So it would not surprise me to see some window dressing go into the energy stocks. Um, Energy, as you can see here, from uh, December 31st has moved up pretty well, and even you know during the month of March, it's done okay. So we may see a little bit of buying in energy and in oil. Right now, oil isn't doing much; it's just a little bit lower. Gold is also not doing much of anything. It's a little bit higher. Bitcoin was on a bit of a roller coaster ride last night. It's currently sitting at 58,000, but it was as high as 59.5. Yeah, here it is. See, it went on this big rush up last night and then just dropped in like 10 minutes. We had this like big drop from like 59,500 all the way down to 57.5. So we had like a $2,000 drop. But it's starting to climb up a little bit. It's actually, I'm actually a little bit happy that it's pulled back down because I want to buy some more Bitcoin, but I got to wait for next week to get some more cash into it. So I'm hoping to get in under 60 because I think once it breaks through 60, that's the last time we're going to see $60,000 ever for Bitcoin. So I'm going to grab some more when I can. So overall, the markets are quiet right now. The 10-year note is still sitting at like 1.73. You go ahead and take a look at the dividend yield on the S&P 500 is currently at 1.39. If you look at my videos today, I'm looking at dividend-paying stocks that are beating the 10-year and the S&P. Just to give you a sneak preview, what the stocks that I'm really excited about for the next maybe couple of months, really, maybe even going a little longer with Simon Property Group. So you may want to check out that video. So I like that a lot. And I also did a comparison of two stocks that are paying almost an over 6% dividend and has had some really solid performance, because I do think we will have a nice rally in April, but after that I think it's going to get a little challenging for the markets, not because the market's going to go bad, but you're going to get into June, July, August, which is typically not very strong for equity, so you're going to probably want to be a little more defensive. So look at these really good paying dividend stocks, like for instance Simon Property Group says a dividend yield of 4.5% with a PE ratio of 32. That's really excellent right now. And you look at this 1 month chart, actually let's go back 6 months, you can tell it's had some really nice performance. So if you want to see more about Simon Property Group, you may want to check out that video. It's coming out at 6:30 today. But overall right now, market's pretty much flat and mixed right now, not much going on. I do think we may get some positive momentum just because it's the last trading day of the month, and we're going to get into April tomorrow, and I think we should get some nice broad market movement higher. So that's all that's pretty much going on right now. If anything changes, I will have my periodic updates that I'm going to be posting on YouTube, and I'll also have updates on my Discord, so you may want to check those out too. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, stock trading strategies, and market updates. Thanks a lot. Bye.